in place. And yeah, so eventually I'm gonna get my buddy Steve, or I'll just make it myself, a 3D printable version of this. Maybe I'll get some people to help me out at some point. It'll be really cool because with this kind of little invention, you just stick it on like this. Imagine it's on your shoulders so it doesn't move. You can just walk around, and the problem with the hat cams is your head moves faster than your chest. So sometimes when you want to keep something in shot, or you're following your plane, you need your head to be able to move around freely and quickly so that you can stay on the plane. But when you're shooting things with your video, you want to have a stable shot. And so a chest cam is better for that. You want to be able to move your head to keep an eye on your plane while keeping a nice focused view of your plane. So if you're a one-man band,
Likey